I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump starter pack. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always put on protective gear like gloves and safety glasses to shield yourself from potential hazards. It is crucial to confirm your jump starter is fully charged and suitable for your vehicle's battery type. Take a moment to check both your car battery and the jump starter cables for any signs of damage. Lastly, ensure no flammable items are near the battery or jump starter during the process. Now let's connect the jump starter. First, make sure your car's engine is completely off and the handbrake is firmly engaged. Locate your car battery's positive terminal, usually marked with a plus sign, and securely attach the red positive clamp. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a good earth point on your vehicle, such as an unpainted metal part of the engine block. Double-check that all connections are tight and the clamps are not touching anything else. With the connection secure, it's time to start your vehicle. Turn on your jump starter pack, following the specific instructions provided by its manufacturer. Then, try to start your car's engine as you usually would. If it doesn't ignite within about 5 seconds, switch off the ignition, wait for 2 minutes, and then attempt to start it again. If the car still doesn't start after a few tries, it might indicate a more serious issue, and professional help should be sought. Congratulations, your car is running. Now, carefully disconnect the jump starter. First, turn off the jump starter pack. Then, remove the black negative clamp from the engine earth point, followed by the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. To ensure your car battery recharges sufficiently, keep the engine running for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, always remember to fully recharge your jump starter pack so it's ready for any future emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.